Midnight comes in Paris, and as I light my cigarette, the rain hits my face. So I start walking toward the Ferris wheel from my hotel on Champs-Élysées. For now I am alone. I might always be alone. My heart is in the city of love, but it's raining in Paris. What good is a heart of gold with nobody to share it with? It's coming down, and my head can hardly bear it. My heart is in the city of love, but it's raining in Paris. So let it rain on me. See, my heart's on fire, but I always got cold feet. Love never really did anything for me. Tried telling that to this goddamn city. And if the song should stop, I'd ask you to dance on some cliche mountaintop. Yeah, we'd share straws at your favorite coffee shop. But life, it ain't no romance novel. My heart is in the city of love, but it's raining in Paris. What good is a heart of gold, nobody to share it with? It's coming down, and my head can hardly bear it. My heart is in the city of love, but it's raining in Paris.